This is how you set up your apron as a duster. We're going to first start with our Speed Cleaning Apron, and we're going to set our apron up so that we can work our way around the room to dust without making any stops. We're going to start by setting up our apron from our tray. So you're always going to have everything you need in your tray, and you set up the apron to move around the room without going back to your tray. The first thing you need to grab is your red juice and your blue juice. Remember to always put the red juice and the blue juice on the same side of the apron every time so you can grab it without even thinking about it. Next, we're going to grab our furniture polish. This is an all-natural furniture polish made from carnauba wax, and it's safe for you to be around, safe for you to use. We're going to put our furniture polish in our apron and keep it there for when we need it later. Next, we're going to grab our cleaning cloths. So you might be using cotton cloths or microfiber cloths. Either way is fine. If you're using your cotton cloths, you're just going to grab 6 or 8 of them and load them up into your apron so you're ready to go and grab a new one whenever you need it. If instead you're going to be using microfiber cloths, you're going to grab a stack of the same color cloth. Now, of course, I have a red and pink one here because I don't have multiple reds at my house, but you're going to grab the same color cloth every time when you're dusting and polishing, and just load up your apron the same way with your microfiber cloths. The reason we use the same color cloth every time we're dusting is so that we don't accidentally mix up our glass cleaner cloth with our polishing cloth if we're using microfibers, because you can't wash microfibers on super hot like you can a cotton cloth. So sometimes there's going to be a little bit of remaining residue from the cleaner left on your microfiber cloth, which is another reason it's important to use safe, non-toxic cleaners. The next thing we need to grab is our duster. If you're using a feather duster, just pop it right into your back pocket or into the back loop of your apron and keep it there the entire time you're dusting. You can reach it, grab it, and dust with it very quickly and put it back in a snap. If you're not using a feather duster and you're instead using a microfiber duster, you can just pull out your microfiber duster. This one is hand washable, but so are the feather dusters. If you're using a microfiber duster instead of a feather duster, just do the same thing. Pop it right into your back apron pocket or your back pants pocket and keep it there so you can grab it very quickly when you need it. Another item from your tray that you're going to need is your whisk broom. Just like the feather duster, you can put this into your back pocket or you can put it into the back loop of your apron, and you can just very quickly pull it out, grab it, and use it whenever you need to. The last item that might be useful to you when you're setting up your apron for dusting is the upholstery or pet hair brush. So if you're at a home that has pets, this is a pretty handy tool that you can use just to swipe kind of in the corners of the cushions, in the upholstery, and the couches and the chairs and all of that. You can stick your pet hair upholstery brush in your apron as well. So now we're all set up for dusting every single time. Make sure you have your speed cleaning pin on your apron or your uniform when you're dusting and cleaning in a client's house. This is a way to show your clients that you have a professional certification in what you're doing. Now you're all set up to dust. Set it up this way every single time. After you've done your first dusting job, you'll know whether you need 4 or 6 or 8 of the cloths in your apron, so you'll get the hang of that and you'll know how to set it up correctly the next time. Good luck dusting, and I hope you save tons of time.